Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well and that your trading journey is going amazingly. Welcome back to another new video. In this video, I will explain the logic behind this strategy and teach you how you can trade using the engulfing method. So let's get started. This method is very helpful for winning trades and can provide approximately 90% accuracy if you use it correctly. If you enter trades at the right time and identify engulfing candles properly, you can achieve 90 to 95% accuracy. In today's video, I will teach you how to identify a good engulfing pattern and how to take trades based on it. This is the Boeing Company OTC chart. As you can see, the market is in a strong uptrend. Here, 5 consecutive green candles were formed. After that, a strong red candle appeared, completely engulfing the previous green candle. There was no wick on the candle. In this situation, you can place a downside trade because the market is showing a continuation pattern with a strong bearish engulfing candle. Let me explain another example. Here again, a strong red candle engulfed the previous green candle, so you can take a downside trade. In this example as well, a strong red candle engulfed the previous green candle, giving another downside entry. Basically, this method works best in a trending or ranging market. Whenever a strong bullish or bearish engulfing candle forms and completely engulfs the previous candle, you can trade in the direction of the continuation. For example, here a red candle engulfed the previous green candle, so you can enter a downside trade. This is how the engulfing method works. You can see that it worked here as well. This is how you can use the engulfing method in your trading journey. Let's look for a live trading opportunity. I placed a downside trade on Boeing Company OTC. Why? Although the market was in an uptrend, a strong red candle formed and engulfed the previous green candle. After that, an indecision candle appeared. That's why I placed a downside trade. If such an indecision candle appears and the first trade loses, you can use the martingale strategy or simply wait for another setup. Let's see the result. Currently, the trade is in our favor. Let's wait. The trade is still in our favor, and you can see that another strong red candle is forming. However, this is the OTC market, so anything can happen. This engulfing method also works very well in the real market. This trade is a win. We won this trade live. This is how you can use the engulfing method in your trading journey to improve your accuracy. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want to join us, link is available in the description. If you have any topics or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.